Today, we are going to talk about something that can completely transform your relationship with finances. The 10 most important rules of money. Often, the way we handle our finances is based on habits we've inherited or learned over time, without really understanding the laws that govern money. The problem is, without understanding these rules, it's easy to get stuck in a cycle of debt or, at best, live on the edge, never truly reaching the longed-for financial freedom. If you think achieving financial stability is a privilege reserved for a few, it's time to rethink that idea. The truth is, money, like any other resource, follows principles that can be learned and applied by anyone. Yes, anyone. And the most interesting thing is that these rules are not just about numbers and calculations, but about how you think, act, and react to money. In this video, we're going to discuss not only the rules you've probably heard of, but also explore some aspects of financial psychology, which are often overlooked but essential for long-term success. If you want to understand what's really holding back your financial progress and how to overcome these barriers, stay until the end. 1. Money is a game. Money may seem like a matter of math, but it actually works like a game. If you know the rules and play consistently, your chances of winning increase drastically. Just like in any game, you don't start as a master. Practice and continuous learning are essential to improving your skills. For example, think about investments. At first, you may feel lost, making bad bets or emotional decisions. But over time, as you understand the market and how it behaves, your choices become more strategic. The important thing is not to give up before mastering the game. The more you participate, the clearer it becomes how money flows and how you can use it to your advantage. What you need to understand is that playing the money game is not something you do once or twice, but rather a continuous journey of learning and improvement. 2. Don't hate money. Many people grow up hearing that money is bad or even that it's the root of all problems. This mindset can be one of the biggest blocks to financial success. When you hate or despise money, subconsciously you repel it. Money is neither good nor bad. It's simply a tool that amplifies what's already inside you. Imagine someone who always complains about their financial situation and never sees money as something positive. This person often misses opportunities because their negative mindset blocks any chance of growth. It's essential to change this perspective and see money as a resource that can provide freedom and security if used wisely. The first step to changing your relationship with money is to stop seeing it as an enemy. It's just a tool, and it's up to you to learn how to use it intelligently. 3. Time is crucial when it comes to money. Time is one of your greatest allies. Starting to invest early, even with small amounts, can lead to impressive growth over the long term. This happens because of compound interest, which basically multiplies your money over the years. The sooner you start, the more time you give for this effect to work in your favor. For example, if you invest a small amount now, in 10 or 20 years, the growth will be much greater than if you start investing 5 years from now. Even if the returns are small at first, the magic of time will do the rest. That's why it's important not to wait for the perfect moment to start. What you need to do is value time as an essential component in growing your wealth. The sooner you act, the more you'll reap in the future. 4. Money moves idle. Money is lost money. This is a rule that many ignore. Keeping all your capital stagnant, whether in a low-yield bank account or simply stored at home, means you're losing growth opportunities. Money needs to always be moving, circulating through investments, businesses, and financial strategies that generate returns. Think of money like water. If it doesn't flow, it stagnates. The same goes for your finances. If you're not making your money work for you, it's losing value, especially with inflation eating away at your purchasing power over time. Therefore, instead of letting your money sit idle, look for smart ways to keep it moving. This could be through low-risk investments like fixed income or higher return opportunities such as stocks and personal businesses. 5. Secret account. Having a financial reserve that no one knows about might seem like an unusual strategy, but it serves an important function, ensuring that you're prepared for any unforeseen event without relying on others. This account can be used in emergencies or when unexpected opportunities arise. Imagine losing your job or an economic crisis severely impacting your income. Having a secret account with a financial reserve could be the difference between panicking or staying calm while seeking a solution. This account doesn't need to be huge, but it should be a safety cushion you can access quickly. And most importantly, no one but you should know about its existence. 6. Don't fly first class until you have 10 million in the bank. This rule is about avoiding unnecessary luxuries before you've reached a level of financial comfort. Flying first class or buying luxury items before building a solid financial base may seem like a small pleasure, but it's a trap that drains your resources irreversibly. Many fall into the trap of wanting to display status before they've even built real financial security. Instead of spending money on appearances, invest in assets that can grow and generate income in the future. Remember, comfort and luxury come after security. The idea here is simple. Delay gratification and first build your financial foundation. 7. Compensation plan. Understanding how taxes work in your country is essential for any long-term financial strategy. Many ignore the impact taxes have on their income and investments and end up paying more than they should. This means less money in your pocket and fewer growth opportunities. For example, if you know how to use tax deductions and other legal benefits, you can reduce your tax burden and, in turn, maximize your financial returns. It's not about cheating the system, but understanding the rules of the game and using them to your advantage. The better you understand the tax system, the more efficient your financial strategy will be. 8. Patience is a virtue. Patience is one of the greatest virtues in the financial world. Most people fail because they want quick results and, in pursuit of them, make hasty decisions. However, the great financial rewards come with time. This applies to both investments and businesses. For example, those who have the patience to let their investments mature generally see much bigger results than those who rush to sell everything at the first market drop. The same goes for building a business. Success rarely happens overnight. The lesson is simple: be patient. Good things come to those who wait, and in the financial world, this can mean the difference between failure and success. 9. Value financial relationships. Relationships are a powerful currency in the world of business and finance. Knowing the right people can open doors you didn't even know existed. Networking is essential for anyone looking to grow financially. For example, strategic partnerships, advice from mentors, or even investment opportunities can arise simply by being connected to people who share your financial interests. Don't underestimate the value of a well-established network. Invest time in building solid, genuine relationships. This can be as valuable as any financial investment. 10. Financial self-knowledge. One of the most important rules of money is understanding your own strengths and weaknesses when it comes to finances. Each person has a different financial profile, and what works for some may not work for others. Knowing how you handle money, your spending tendencies, and your weaknesses is crucial to building an effective strategy. For example, if you know you tend to spend impulsively, you can adopt measures to curb this behavior, such as financial automations that force you to save before spending. If you're someone who prefers security, you can focus on low-risk investments rather than venturing into volatile assets. Financial self-knowledge is the starting point for any successful plan. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to keep learning how to master the money game and achieve financial freedom.